Once upon a time, life happened in all shapes and sizes. Tell me about your story. You began small, full of dreams and hope, laughter and joy, and in awe. Until life starts to crack underneath you, and in ways in which you didn't understand. You didn't ask for this to happen and have no idea what to do. They blame you for it. They call you names, lots and lots of names. Ugly, you are a joke, a joke. You're so stupid. You're such a mistake. You don't even know why you're still here. You should have killed yourself a long time ago. Just look at you, so fat and ugly and completely useless. You can't even do anything right. And you crack with it. Stop. Take a deep breath. Take another deep breath. And another one. Until you're here with yourself. Wiggle your toes. Tap your fingers. Feel the heat of your inhale and let it all out. Do it as many times as needed until you can feel your heart calming down. You are here. You are still here. Look at the pages in front of you. Do you like it? If not, take out the page that doesn't work for you. Put that crack aside and let's replace it with something else. Show me who you are. Maybe you like flowers? Pick up that flower panel and add it to the grimoire, or the book, or the story of your life if you want to call it that. There aren't many colors on it yet, but it'll grow and blossom. you swim like a fish? Or do you daydream about a school of koi fish? If yes, add that one to your story as well. As you rebuild your story, don't forget to breathe. Doesn't matter if it's shallow, deep, or ragged. Just keep on breathing in and out. Now, look at the glass pages in front of you while gently resting your attention on your breathing. Do you feel the warmth traveling up and down your nose, your lungs when you breathe in and breathe out? Does it still hurt when you look at the pages in front of you while paying attention to your own breath? Now, come back to the pages again. Take out the ones that don't work for you and adding the ones you like. You can do this over and over again. Take your time. If you don't like the face you selected before, perhaps you can change that too. And add a bit of chaos. That's okay too. It's okay to be not okay. You are enough. You are loved, and you deserved to be loved. You are, and you can love. You can move on now.